Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the feminine care aisle, the Rael Petite Pads. Designed with organic cotton and advanced technology, these pads claim to offer ultimate comfort and protection. Stick around as we explore why these might be your new go-to. First off, let's talk about what makes these pads stand out. The Rael Petite Pads are crafted from 100% certified organic cotton. That means no toxins, pesticides, or synthetic chemicals. If you're conscious about what goes into the products you use, these pads are a solid choice. They feature a super absorbent core designed to prevent leaks and keep you feeling dry throughout the day. Whether you're active or relaxing, the Rael Petite Pads promise to provide that peace of mind. Comfort is key when it comes to feminine care products. These pads are ultra-thin with wings, ensuring a secure fit that moves with you. The hypoallergenic materials and breathable design help minimize irritation and odor, catering to various skin types and menstrual conditions. Thanks to their leak locker technology, these pads use unique channel designs to effectively trap fluids and prevent leaks. Plus, they're crafted to fit your dynamic lifestyle, offering both reliability and discretion. Now, let's touch on sustainability. The Rael Petite Pads are not only good for your body but also for the environment. Their commitment to organic cotton and eco-friendly practices reflects a growing trend towards more sustainable menstruation options. Wrapping up, the Rael Petite Pads are setting a high bar in the world of feminine care. With their organic composition, advanced absorbency, and thoughtful design, it's easy to see why they've become a favorite among many. Whether you're new to organic products or a longtime advocate, these pads offer a blend of comfort, protection, and peace of mind. That's all for today's review. If you've tried the Rael Petite Pads or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews like this one. Until next time, stay informed and empowered with Product Critique.